The Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR, a concept car introduced at the 2020 Consumer Electronics Show, CES, represents the future of mobility with a stunning blend of cutting-edge technology, sustainable design, and visionary engineering. Inspired by the 2009 movie Avatar, the AVTR pushes the boundaries of what an electric vehicle can achieve, both in terms of innovation and aesthetics. Designed to symbolize a deep connection between humans, nature, and technology, the AVTR offers an insight into Mercedes-Benz's sustainable future and the evolution of autonomous driving. At the heart of the AVTR is an all-electric powertrain that delivers a smooth, efficient driving experience. While exact performance specifications remain unclear due to its concept nature, the AVTR is designed with a focus on sustainability and energy efficiency. The vehicle utilizes a groundbreaking organic battery technology that not only promises a longer range but also uses sustainable materials, further aligning with Mercedes-Benz's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. This eco-friendly approach is complemented by the vehicle's bidirectional charging capabilities, enabling it to interact with other electric devices and power sources, making it an essential part of a sustainable ecosystem. One of the most striking features of the AVTR is its unique design, which blends futuristic styling with organic, nature-inspired elements. The exterior is sleek and streamlined, featuring a seamless, flowing shape that gives the car an almost otherworldly appearance. The car's transparent, glowing surface incorporates flexible scales that can open and close, mimicking the movement of living creatures. These scales, combined with the vehicle's adaptive lighting, allow the AVTR to communicate with its environment and its driver, creating a sense of emotional connection. Inside, the cabin of the AVTR is equally as revolutionary. The interior features a minimalist, futuristic design with an emphasis on organic materials and advanced technology. Instead of a traditional steering wheel, the car utilizes a large, curved control interface that the driver interacts with using intuitive hand gestures. The vehicle's interior is designed to provide a seamless connection between the driver and the car, with an emphasis on comfort, sustainability, and innovation. The use of natural materials like bamboo and other sustainable fabrics creates a soothing environment, highlighting Mercedes' dedication to eco-conscious design. Autonomous driving is at the core of the AVTR's capabilities. The vehicle is equipped with advanced AI that enables it to drive autonomously while maintaining a strong focus on safety and comfort. With an advanced sensing system that detects and responds to its environment, the AVTR can navigate through city streets, highways, and even challenging terrains without human intervention. This allows the driver to experience a new form of freedom, where the focus shifts from controlling the vehicle to interacting with the environment around them. Overall, the Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR is more than just a concept car. It's a bold vision of the future of mobility. With its eco-friendly technology, autonomous capabilities, and futuristic design, the AVTR offers a glimpse into how cars will evolve in the coming decades. It represents Mercedes-Benz's commitment to creating a sustainable, interconnected, and technologically advanced future for the automotive industry. While the AVTR is still a concept, it lays the groundwork for the vehicles of tomorrow.